and Kavish was like, trying to hold my pants and like stand up, and my pants literally came off till here, and I had to pull them up quickly. And I remember हमारे घर में तभी we used to have a cook. वो बहुत दूर खड़ा था, so आज तक मैं pray करती हूँ. I hope उसने कुछ नहीं देखा होगा. So my mom is a very simple human. But mummy likes to go and eat thali, so I'm going to take her for that, I believe. She'll be just happy and some family time, me, Kavish and mom. The first day I came in, he started making greeting cards for me every single day. Get well soon, mama, get well soon, mama. And he showers me with a lot of kisses on that injured leg. So this year I'm expecting him to make me a card. Hi, I'm Nisha Raval and you're watching Telebites.
Alright, सबसे पहले निशा मैम स्वागत है आपका टेलीबाइट्स में. How are you doing?
Shukriya, I'm much better now. 2 महीने हो चुके हैं, 1 more month to go for the bones to heal, but I'm doing fine.
Alright, आज काफ़ी खास दिन है, मदर्स डे सेलिब्रेट किया जा रहा है. How are you planning to celebrate मदर्स डे? आप कैसे सरप्राइज देने वाले हो अपनी मॉम को? What are your plans?
So my mom is a very simple human and I was just telling somebody that उनको कुछ बहुत fancy नहीं चाहिए. हालांकि over the years I've taken her for the spas and doing all those fancy things that you do. But mummy likes to go and eat thali, so I'm going to take her for that, I believe. She'll be just happy and some family time. Me, Kavish and mom, हम तीनों जाएंगे.
आपने खाने की बात की है, so what is that special food you like of your mother जो वो बनाती है?
I'm a पहाड़ी from उत्तराखंड, तो ऐसी बहुत सारी डिशेस हैं लोकली जो मम्मी बनाती है. पहाड़ी डिशेस like she makes भटका साग and जौला and भांग की चटनी and ककड़ी का रायता. So these are like our staple पहाड़ी dishes and I like that.
Alright, how has your kid surprised you ever like on Mother's Day? Is there any moment you can recall, any memory?
So Kavish is only 5 years old. ये पहला साल है जब वो actually greeting cards बनाने लगा है without help. So this year I'm definitely expecting a card from him because जब मैं घर आई after this accident, right? Ever since like the first day I came in, he started making greeting cards for me every single day. Get well soon, mama. Get well soon, mama. And he showers me with a lot of kisses on that injured leg. So this year I'm expecting him to make me a card.
You know, बच्चे तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा क्यूट होते हैं, but there are some times जब वो आपको embarrass कर देते हैं कुछ अपने moments के लिए, some naughty moments. So is there any moment you can recall?
Oh yes, I think there's this one moment where I can never forget. So Kavish was that time just learning to walk, right? वैसे पकड़ के चढ़ना सीखा था. So I remember that I had this brand called Roots and Wings for kids. It was a kids clothing brand, and I was that time operating from home. So I had my team and all at home, and I remember we were all girls, about 3 or 4 of us, and we had taken a break, a tea break, और हम खड़े थे वहाँ पर and we were just कुछ tidbits खा रहे थे, चाय पी रहे थे, and I was wearing these loose pajamas and Kavish was like trying to hold my pants and like stand up, and my pants literally came off till here and I had to pull them up quickly. And I remember हमारे घर में तभी we used to have a cook. वो बहुत दूर खड़ा था, so आज तक मैं pray करती हूँ I hope उसने कुछ नहीं देखा होगा, and he just like quickly took a U-turn and went. So that was one of the most embarrassing moments, and I have had plenty with Kavish.
अच्छा, have you like your mom has experienced any moment जो आपने किया होगा?
I'm sure I have embarrassed my mother a lot, but who remembers? Who wants to remember that, right? That's a question that you must ask my mom actually.
Alright, so इस दौरान reality shows का काफ़ी ज़्यादा बात है. Like खतरों के खिलाड़ी है, लॉकअप है, बिग बॉस है, आप ये लॉकअप कर चुकी हैं. But एक न्यू सीजन के साथ वापसी हो रही है. How much are you excited for?
इट्स एक्साइटिंग बिकॉज पिछली बार तो मैं खुद जेल में थी और ज़मीन पे सो रही थी और वो बाल वाला कंबल ओढ़ रही थी और मटके से पानी पी रही थी, मच्छर काट रहे थे. इस बार आई थिंक इट विल बी इंटरेस्टिंग टू वॉच अदर्स हाउ दे डील विद इट. बट लास्ट टाइम बिकॉज इट वॉज द फर्स्ट सीजन वी डिडंट हैव एनी रेफरेंस, वी weren't मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट, राइट? बट या मज़ा आएगा बाहर से देखते हुए.
अच्छा, खतरों के खिलाड़ी सीजन 13 आ रहा है and there are many contestants like Big Boss के भी शिव ठाकरे, अर्चना गौतम, रूही चतुर्वेदी, अंजलि आनंद, अंजुम पाठी, डीनो जेम्स, रोहित रॉय, डेजी शाह. क्या इनमें से कोई आपके दोस्त हैं? क्या इनमें से किसी को सपोर्ट करने वाली हैं?
So अभी तक I haven't started seeing promos of it, and but it's always interesting year after year. I think last year मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त थे उसमें. I think the season which had Rajiv and Bharti and all these people. I don't know if I'm mixing two seasons, but देखते हैं अभी इस बार कैसे जाता है. But I'm sure it will be interesting.
Fans and audiences are waiting for you, like उनको आपको देखना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. When can they see you?
At the moment people will get to see me on my YouTube channel. A lot of fun stuff is coming up. 4 months हुए थे मैंने start किया और फिर ये leg injury हो गई, तो 2 months से it's been on a break. But a lot of interesting stuff is gonna come up there. and on my social media. At the moment, that's where it's happening.
Lastly, fans and audience के लिए क्या message देंगे?
So all I want to say is Mother's Day is special. Make sure that you shower your mother with a lot of love and ये time वापस नहीं आता है. अब मुझे realize होता है because now I'm a mom and काविश इतना छोटू है and जब हम हमारी मम्मी हमारे पीछे डंडे लेके भागती थी बेटा चलो पढ़ो कुछ पढ़ लिख के कुछ बनोगे. I think now I realize that what was that pressure all about and I value it more than ever. So happy Mother's Day to everybody who's a mom out there and don't forget to make your mom feel special.
For top serials on sets to personal interviews and fun segments with actors, subscribe to Telebytes right away.